Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share one of my favorite bags recently. That is the Chanel Trendy CC mini wallet on chain. This is not the normal size of the wallet on chain, but the mini size of it. So today I'm gonna share why I love this bag and what are the benefits. Hopefully if you are considering this bag, my video will give you some inspiration. If this is the first time you come to my channel, hello, my name is Jin. I talk about how to use classic and colorful items and how to achieve a classic and elegant look. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment. Now let's get started. Let's unbox the bag. I always love this feeling of opening this camellia flower. It just makes me feel so good. There you go. Let's remove all the wrappers and look at the bag. Okay, so this is a mini size of the wallet on chain from the 20cc line. The hardware is made of champagne gold with Coco Crush details. So this is a special edition with the Coco Crush details, 20cc wallet on chain. And this one is from the 2023 Cruise collection. Alright, let's look at it inside. There are two main big compartments. At the front there's a zip closure where you can put some cash and cards inside. There are 6 different card slots. And actually at the back, that's another pocket where you can put some receipt and card as well. This is a side view. You can see the bag is quite roomy. And at the back, there is a zip pocket as well. I just love this lambskin in black color. It's so luxurious together with the champagne gold hardware, isn't it? Next, let's see what fits. I have a card holder, my tissue, AirPods, sanitizer, few lipstick, lip gloss, my passport, and my iPhone. First, let's try my iPhone first. This is the iPhone 11. I'm owning an iPhone 12 Pro, but I'm using it to film my video. But actually the size is quite similar, so that's fine for demonstration purpose. And then I can put also my passport inside. And even the classic card holder, even though I'm not recommending this, but if you really want to, you can. And turns out, you know what? You can close it. But let's try not to put a classic card holder inside, because what's the point, right? Let's take all the cards out and put the card directly inside the bag. I would put it vertically because the height is just perfect. Then I put my lipsticks and lip gloss, my tissue, and you just have to adjust your stuff a bit and you can close it. That's right. Let's try another variation. What about this sanitizer? The answer is no. I can't put a sanitizer. But if you want to add on the AirPods, try to put the lip balm horizontally, then you can fit in the AirPods. That's amazing. Of course, you need to put the card, you have to adjust the card a bit as well. Why I like this Trendy CC mini wallet on chain a lot, even though I'm not really a wallet on chain person, is because of several reasons. The first reason is that the strap of the mini wallet on chain from Trendy CC is shorter than a normal wallet on chain. I know it's just a tad shorter, but that makes a huge difference. Because for me, I am a petite girl, so I'm not very tall. So if the chain is too long, I will feel like it is dragging my weight down. I find that because the chain of this Trendy CC mini wallet on chain is shorter, I feel like I have less burden when I carry the bag. So this is perfect for shorter women like me. The second reason is that the CC logo is bigger than the normal classic wallet on chain. I'm not really a big fan of big logos per se, but I just find that the logo it's more proportionate to the back body compared to the classic water on chain, because in the classic water on chain, I find that the logo is too tiny for such a bigger back body. And don't forget that the quoting of the Trendy CC water on chain is also larger than the classic water on chain. So I find that the size of the logo and the quoting and everything just feels so put together. I don't know how to describe it, but I just feel so harmonious. The third reason, which is a very important reason, is that the Trendy CC water on chain has a turn lock. It is not a magnetic closure. I know that in the classic water on chain, the magnetic closure is quite secure because you can hear when you close it, the sound is quite prominent. However, in my mind, I still prefer a CC turn lock, and this is just making me feel much more secure when I open and close the bag. Number 4, because the mini water on chain size is also a bit shorter and less tall, the back body to the chain ratio is really the best. Between the normal size of the water on chain and the mini size of the water on chain, the thickness of the chain is the same. But because this mini water on chain has a smaller back body, I feel like the proportion between the chain and the back body, it just more right. It just looks more right. It just looks more harmonious and it looks more proportional. So I truly love this fact, and I feel like this is architecturally more attractive to me because of that reason. The 5th reason I like this bag is also the bag itself has more thickness. It's more deep. If you look at the dimension on the side, you can see that the bag is actually thicker and deeper than a normal size water on chain. And if you look inside the compartment, right, the compartment is divided into 2 main parts, and therefore the back body has to be deeper to allow that to happen. And I truly appreciate that, because I feel like on the outside, you can see that the bag is similar to the shape of a mini square classic flag. Plus, you can put your phone inside. So this is amazing. The 6th reason is that there's quite a lot of compartments. There are 2 main compartments, and then there are 6 card slots. There's also a zip compartment. And at the back of the last card slot, you can also see that a little compartment inside there as well. And then when you look at the back compartment, unlike the classic water on chain, the back compartment on the outside is with a zip closure. So again, I feel more secure if I want to store some transportation card or credit card. I just feel like this is more secure for me because there's a zip outside. The 7th reason why I like it is because although this is a mini water on chain, it can hold my phone. I'm currently using a iPhone 12 Pro, and even though when I put the phone inside, it's a little bit too wide, but I can still put my phone inside. If I take off the holder of my phone, this will fit perfectly. So I just find that this is much more useful than a phone bag or a micro bag, and this is less big than a normal size of the water on chain. So I really like this size a lot. It is small enough to look cute, but big enough to hold your phone. Plus your daily essentials, like I can put my tissue, my AirPods, and a few lipsticks. That's absolutely no problem. Plus, I can put my passport. So this is really good for traveling. Basically, I can put everything that I can put into a normal size water on chain, maybe except my classic card holder. I can put in the normal water on chain, but not the mini water on chain. But honestly, if I'm using a mini water on chain, I'm not going to use my card holder anyway. I'm just going to put everything out and put the cards and my cash into the bag directly. The last reason I like this bag is because of the Coco Crush details. So this is a special edition of the Trendy CC bag. I think Chanel started releasing it in the 22 Spring Summer collection, the 22S. And then they did again in the 23 Cruise collection, which is the one that I just got. So this one is slightly different. You can see it is with the champagne gold hardware, but unlike the normal edition, this edition has more Coco Crush detail, just like the Coco Crush jewelry line that Chanel is always promoting. And I really like this subtle detail. And because of these details, actually, the price of this bag is 14% higher than the normal Trendy CC mini water on chain without this Coco Crush details. But I really like these details, right? So I don't regret. Another reason I like this bag is because the strap is adjustable inside. You can sort of hide the adjustment caps. So I also use my adjustment caps for my previous classic water on chain, but because the strap for the classic water on chain is always sliding around, so even though I use my adjustment caps, the caps just exposed when I was carrying the bag, which didn't look good. But for the Trendy CC water on chain, when you use adjustment caps, it is just hidden inside. Of course, you have to make sure that you have enough space inside the bag for, you know, the additional chain to hang around inside when you adjust your bag shorter. But overall, this is not an issue. And also, when I want to adjust the bag in a shorter length or in like a shoulder bag, I just crisscross the strap inside the flap and then make it into a shoulder bag. I know that some people don't really like this look, but for me, I feel this look, it's not forceful. It's not like you're trying too hard to adjust it into a shoulder bag where it shouldn't be like that. I do think this looks actually quite cute and quite feminine, quite girly, and quite down to earth. So I do like this, you know, easy adjustment of the strap compared to the classic size of the water on chain. So I truly enjoy this feature of the Trendy CC mini water on chain. Now I want to show you some mod shots. This is the mini water on chain without any adjustment of the strap length. As you can tell, I'm 5'1", so it does look a tiny bit long for me if I'm carrying as a shoulder bag. But if I use it as a crossbody, it is actually perfect. I don't need to adjust anything. This is especially true if you're wearing thick winter pullover. But if you want to adjust it a tad shorter, you can. And this is the magic of Trendy CC. Just like this, you can see. It is just a tad shorter, and this is perfect even for using as a shoulder bag. I don't feel this is too long, and even as a crossbody bag, this is also nice. So I can imagine if I'm wearing summer dress, this is also a perfect length. If you want to use it as a shoulder bag in double strap, you can as well. This is how you adjust it, and there you go. I find it very cute and very feminine. What do you think? Okay, here are some videos where I took my bag out, and you can see how I style it, and with different length. The bag is just so casual and carefree. It is really a go-to bag if you're traveling or if you're going down for a walk in the park. This is really perfect. That's it for my video today. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do now. Like and also comment my video. See you guys next time. Bye!